Guys, welcome back to the channel, and this lab is too much lengthy, so I request you please watch the video carefully. I will try to explain each and every step in detail, so please watch the video carefully. Okay, so first of all, just log in with your credentials, and in the search bar search for the BigQuery. Just simply click on this agree and continue. Now here just simply search for the BigQuery, open this thing in new tab. Now what you have to do, just simply scroll down till the task number 2. Okay, now here just copy this name for dataset ID. Do not copy that full stop, just copy this name, click on done, click on this three dot, then click on this create dataset, paste the name over here like this, and click on create dataset. So now just simply scroll down and click on check my progress. One more thing guys, this lab is too much lengthy. Because of that, just make sure that you get a score on each and every task. Without getting a score, do not move ahead the next task. Okay, so now we have got a score for the task number 2. Now just simply scroll down, copy this query, go back to your editor and run the query over here. Once you get a green tick from here, just simply click on run query, and once the query is completed, just come over here and click on check my progress. You will get a score without any issue. Now for the task number 4, and please pay attention on this task because it's a very important task. So just copy this name, do not copy that full stop, copy that in the search bar, search for it, open this thing in new tab. Okay, now just cross the unwanted pop-up and click on this BigQuery. Okay, click on this BigQuery. Once you click on that, it will add some query to your query editor. Now just simply click on run, and once you click on run, so the query is execute. Now let me just zoom in for you. So here you can see on the third row you can see job service dot jobs complete. There might be chances that this thing will be on the 4th, 5th, 6th for your, so just make sure of that. You have to just click on this job service dot job complete, click on this, and once you click on that, you can see show matching entries. So just click on that. Once you click on this, so one query also added to your query editor, as you can see. Now just simply click on run query, just wait for this query is execute, so it's done. Now click on this more of action and click on this create sync. Okay, now for the name of the sync, if you just simply scroll down, copy this name. Again I am saying do not copy any extra space, just copy that name, paste over here, click on next. For here just simply click on BigQuery dataset, and for the dataset name just choose that which you already created. Now no need to make any other changes, simply click on create sync. Okay, it will take a couple of seconds, and if you just simply scroll, go back to your lab instruction and click on check my progress, you will get a score for the task number 4 without any issue. Now for the task number 5, just go back to your dashboard, click on this activate cloud shell. It will take a couple of seconds, so just wait for that. Click on continue. Now go back to your lab instruction page, copy this first query, or you can say command. Okay, now run the first command, click on authorize. Now just wait for this command get execute. Now meanwhile just copy the second command and run the second command, then copy the third command and run. Now just wait for this command get executed. You will get this kind of output. Now go back to your BigQuery editor, and I request you please refresh the page once. Okay, if you click on reload, no need to worry about that. Okay, now what you have to do, just simply click on check my progress for task number 5. You will get a score without any issue. Now time for task number 6. So basically what we have to do, first of all just copy all this query, copy that, go back to your editor, just remove this first previous query and paste to your new query here. Now what you have to do, just copy your project ID, copy that, and just make the changes over here like this. Make sure you do not give any extra space, and make sure of that full stop. Okay, make sure it must be look like this. And one more thing, the line of query are 21, so just make sure of that. If it not, just refresh the lab instruction page and again copy the query, and you will get a green tick for sure. Now once you're done with all these configurations, simply click on run. Now just wait for this query get executed properly, and once you're done with that, now just copy this last query of task number 6 and part number 1. So here you can see query is completed. So just remove all this query paste the new query. Once you get a green tick, simply click on run. Just wait for to this query get executed, and it's done. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Now time for part number 2. So basically what you have to do, just copy this query, remove the previous query, and run the new query. Get a green tick, click on run. Okay, now just copy this query and remove the previous query and run. Click on run. Now here we need to pay attention. Sometime what happen, this query take around 5 to 6 minutes, or sometimes it's take around 2 to 3 minutes. So do not worry about that if this query, particularly this query, is taking too much time. Okay, so no need to worry about that thing guys, because I tried this lab multiple times and I noticed that this query take couple of minutes than other query. Okay, so just wait for this query get executed, and once this query is executed, we have to just run the last query of task number 1 of part 2. and it's finally done. And for me it's take around 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, now just copy the third query and make the changes over here like this and run. Once you get a green tick, click on run. Just wait for to this query get executed. It will not take that much time. Okay, okay, and it's done. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, now time for the task 2 of part number 2. So what you have to do, basically here you don't have to do anything. Now just simply come on the task number 3 and just come over here, just search for the monitoring, open this thing, and here please pay attention guys, because this task is very important. Okay, and you might get confused what is happening over here. Now just simply click on cross. Okay, now if you just hover over here like this, so you can see this dashboard, click on this. Okay, now click on this sample library, and here what you have to do, just copy this thing, BigQuery query monitoring. Do not copy that full stop, just copy that, and here in the filter dashboard just search for it like this. Now click on this checkbox. Once you click on this checkbox, you can see option import. Click on that and click on confirm, and once you're done with that, you will get a pop-up like your dashboard has been successfully imported. Now what you have to do, just simply click on this dashboard list. Okay, now here just simply click on this create dashboard, and from here the lab get little bit tricky, so I request you please pay attention over here. Now just simply click on this cross option. Now here first of all what we have to do, we have to change the name. So if you just simply scroll down, first of all just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Okay, okay, so we are done with that task. Now what you have to do, just copy, now we are on the task number 4. Just copy this name again. I am saying do not copy that full stop, just copy this name, make the changes over here like this. Now click on this line option, and once you click on that line option, just remove this unwanted pop-up. Okay, now click on this VM instance, make sure that this toggle will be off, and if it's so, click on this BigQuery project. Once you click on that, now click on this query, and from here you have to choose query execution time. Okay, again check the flow, BigQuery project, then query, and query execution time. Okay, if it like this, simply click on apply. Now you have done with that. Now click on this add chart, again click on this line, and again click on this VM instance like this. Again what you have to do, BigQuery project, and now this time what you have to choose, you have to choose slots, and if you just scroll down over here, you can see total slots like this, and click on apply. I try to do all the thing in one way so that this will be helpful for you. And once you're done with all these things, if you just simply scroll down, we have done with all this task. Okay, if you want to just confirmation, you can just run this, or you can just check this part or check this part. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. And what happens sometime, this task, especially this task, take time to update a score, so do not worry about that. Just simply click on multiple times on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue if you just make all the changes carefully. Okay, now we are done with that part number 2. Now time for the part number 3, and this part is very easy. Just copy this query, go back to your BigQuery, remove the previous query, and run the new query. Once you get a green tick, simply click on run. Scroll down, copy the second query, the first query is executed, run the new query. Once you get a green tick, simply click on run. And now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Now task number 2, just copy this query, remove the previous query, and done. Now just simply click on run. Scroll down. Okay, so the query is executed. Scroll down, copy this query, and just remove the previous, run the new. Once you get a green tick, click on run. And if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. Now task number 3, again copy this query, remove the previous query. Once you get a green tick, click on run. Same thing for these two queries also. Remove the previous, run the new, and click on run. And this is the last query of this lab, so just copy that, remove the previous, run the new, and once this done, click on run, and it's done. Now if you just simply click on check my progress, you will get a score without any issue. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. If you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.